And finally, to round out the final attempt of the flow section, Nyjah Huston.
Nyjah had a bit of a problem on his first run. He's hoping to make up for it here. And this was his last attempt.
Nyjah would need an 8.6 here to take over the top spot from Chaz Ortiz. Can he do it?
Nice. Looking strong. Nice. 270 switch crooks.
Has it timed out perfectly, Tony.
And kickflip frontside board slide.
Room for one more.
I think that's going to do it for him. I'm not sure if that's going to be a better score than Chaz, but it's definitely going to be close.
Nyjah Huston up next.
Oh, 360 flip to frontside 5-0.
So nice.
That's going to be one of the best scoring tricks of this event right now.
But here's Nyjah Huston.
Oh, Nyjah. Backside ollie, 270 lip slide.
Here now, Nyjah Huston, attempt number 2.
Cab, lip slide on the rail.
Here now, Nyjah Huston needing just a 3.8 to take the overall lead.
Oh, 360 flip, lip slide. Nyjah.
And there again, his second career X Games gold, Nyjah Huston, what's he got in store for his 6th and final attempt?
Victory run. Oh, just for good measure, we'll do a backside nollie flip, heel flip to backside lip slide.